Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how Excel can think for you using the if function so that Excel can automatically decide pass or fail or accordingly give the grade. Okay, so what is if function? What is if function? If function is if the value is true, the if the condition is true, then do this, otherwise do this. So first I will show you the syntax. What is if function syntax? Okay, this is the syntax. If the logical text means condition, so logical text means condition. If condition true, then true value will come. Otherwise, if not true, then value is false, then false value will come. So if our condition fulfill, then true value will be passed, or if not fulfill, then it will fail. Okay, I will show you one by one. So first you have to write is equal to if bracket open, logical text means condition. So our condition is if the marks greater than is equal to 30, so our condition is 30. If the score greater than is equal to 30, then uh, then it will they are pass, otherwise fail. So if the condition fulfill, it means if the score greater than 30, then true value is pass. Pass is a text, so you have to write in double inverted comma. Okay, pass. So if condition not fulfill, then fail. The false value is fail. Fail. Bracket close, enter. You can see. So this is, I just copy down. You can see these 3 students pass and 1 student fail because his mark is less than our condition, so not fulfill our condition because our condition is 30. The score should be greater than 30. That is he is not fulfill our condition, that is why he is fail. Okay, accordingly if you change the score like 30, then this is he is pass. Okay, and if 29 by 29, then fail. If you change the value also like this is a fail. So here if function work like this. Okay, so if you want to give the grade accordingly, then you can do the same thing like if the logical text is if if the score greater than is equal to 70, okay, then he will get a plus, otherwise just give p, or just yes, p, also p. Okay, just copy the formula. You can see if the if our condition fulfill, like if the score greater than 70, then you will get a positive, a plus. Okay, otherwise p. And if you want to give that if the our score greater than, if this score greater than 70, then you will get a plus. If the score greater than 60, then you will get a. If the score greater than 40, you will get b, or if score greater than 30, then you will get C or D, whatever. Okay, so this is how you can do this kind of things using if function, that is the nested if. It means if function, I will use if function in the if function. So I will show you. Okay, just delete this one. Is equal to if this score greater than is equal to 70, then the true value will be a plus comma false. If false, then again I will write if say greater than is equal to 70, then he will get a plus. If not, then again I will write if bracket open, just select the same cell. Okay, if logical text is if this score greater than is equal to 60, then our true value is he will get A grade. Okay, and if not greater than is equal to 60, then again I will write if, then select the cell. If this score greater than is equal to 40, then the true value is B. Okay, comma if not fulfill this condition, then they will get C. Okay, 1 minute, not C. Just again I will write one if function more. If the score greater than is equal to 30, then he will get C. Okay, and if not fulfill, then fail. Okay, just bracket close and inverted comma close, and first close bracket close, first bracket close, second, third, fourth. You can see we'll just bracket open 1 2 3 4 and just close the same bracket close 4 times, 1 2 3 4. When our bracket will black, then we think then it will means that you given all the bracket successfully, and just press the enter. Okay, and just copy the formula down. You can see if the first condition was, this is our first condition, fulfill greater than 70, that is A plus, greater than 42 but less than 60, that is Y B. You can see, and this is 60, the condition fulfill greater than 60 and below 70, that is why you will get A. And this is Michael 29, that is, it means he is failed because he is not fulfill any condition. Okay, that is why fail. So we can use if function like this, and it will automatically give the result. Okay, so this is the if function. You can use it in everywhere where you want any condition based formula. Okay, this is very useful, and in the next video I will show you how if function, using if function we can also work condition formatting and some lots of function we can do that. Okay, thank you so much for this video. We'll see in the next video.